Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella and make sure to subscribe. I know a lot of you that watch my videos are not subscribed, so I'm calling you out on it already. So for today's video, I have an exciting haul for you guys. I'm going to share with you everything that I purchased from the ERIN CONDREN Friends and Family sale. Now, my order took a little bit longer to get to me than it usually does, just because I did order two specific items that I will be sharing with you guys at the end of this video. So make sure to stay to the end to see those two. They're really exciting. So without further ado, let's jump into what I got. The first two things that I picked out are kind of exciting. These little initial charms, and I went ahead and got an H and an S. Now the H definitely stands for Hayle, but the S, it could be dual purpose. It could stand for Sean, so my husband's name, or it could stand for Santella, our last name. So I really like that this one's a little dual purpose, but I plan on either putting these on the coil of my life planner or on the elastic band on my on-the-go folio for my petite planners. Next up, so I showed you guys this maroon pencil pouch from the fall seasonal surprise box, and I couldn't help myself but go ahead and get the navy blue one as well. So after they released the burgundy one in the seasonal surprise box, they came out with their navy and I believe gray one on the website, and I just love the navy color of this and decided to get it, and now I can't wait to figure out what covers this is going to coordinate with really well and start using it. Next up, I got these mini magnets, and I'm really excited to use these. I'll probably use them in two different spots. We're probably going to end up using them on our fridge and then also on the two items that I got that I'm sharing at the end of this video. So if you are familiar with ERIN CONDREN products, this might be a little bit of a hint and you might know exactly what I bought, but you'll have to wait to the end to find out. Next, I got the new wellness log. So every 6 months to a year, I believe, ERIN CONDREN switches up the cover that they do on their wellness log. And I decided to get the new ones every now and then when they come out, just because it's fun to switch things up and have a little bit of variety. Now, the layout is exactly the same as it has been in the past, so if you guys are interested in seeing what is inside the wellness log and how it's kind of organized, I'll make sure to pop a video up here on the screen. I have an entire video talking you through the inside of the wellness log. And it's definitely useful if you currently work out or even if you're trying to live a more healthy and active lifestyle. This is a huge helper and I highly recommend this. The next thing that I got, and I got two of them, are two sets of notepads. So typically when I pick out notepads, I'll do some kind of fun pattern at the top. I'll pick the lined layout, and then occasionally I'll personalize it with my name. So this is what I typically do, but I went a little crazy this time. I picked out a fun pattern for the top, but on this one, I decided to go blank. So there's no lines, it's not dot grid, there's no personalization, nothing. And it kind of leaves it as a blank canvas, which I really like, because that means I can doodle, I can make it what I want, I can do whatever I desire on this notepad. So I'm really excited about this. Plus, I'm always using notepads. I'm a list type of person. Stocking up on these is really useful because then I can stash them all around our house, and it's just really nice to have them whenever you need them. The next thing I decided to purchase is a colorful sticker pack. Now this is 4 pages, and these are the stickers that come in the back of the life planner. I absolutely love the stickers so much, I decided to go ahead and get some extra ones. So like I said, these are the exact same stickers that are in the back of the life planner, and they're fun, so I decided to get more. I always like having extra stickers on hand, so yeah, I got more. Okay, so next up I have those two items that I mentioned. Let me go grab them real quick. They came in these huge boxes. Alright, this is the other thing that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some overlay clips here on the screen so you can see what is inside these boxes. But man, these are heavy. Oh. Alrighty. So what is inside those two boxes are the new ERIN CONDREN dashboards. I decided to go ahead and get the calendar layout and then also what I'm calling the chores list layout. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but I'm sure you guys will know what I mean when you go to the website and see it. I'm really excited to use them and kind of help keep us organized. But tomorrow I plan on hanging them up on the walls here in our office. So if you're interested to see how they go up on the wall and how I plan on using them, make sure to stay and watch the next clip. Alright you guys, today is the next day and I am about to put these bad boys up on the wall somewhere here in our office. And I'm thinking that we're gonna go ahead and put it here. So it's right behind our office door. We just keep extra wrapping paper and some miscellaneous items. We got some gift wrap, some bubble wrap, and then I've got 2 photography boards back there. So this is just kind of like a pile in this corner that usually sits behind the door. Then we have a whiteboard up here on the wall. But I was thinking of putting the ERIN CONDREN dashboards here on the wall, but I think that they're too big for this wall. So I might have to put them here and move this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the measuring tape out, measure things up, and see how it's gonna work and if it's gonna fit. Guys, it might fit. It's like 2 inches shy. I don't know, is it a good idea or no? That's so cute! I like it. So this is the chore chart that I was talking about. We've got Monday through Sunday, and then we've got the chores or whatever we need to get done. And then we can just check them off when we do them. So they can be daily things, weekly things, whatever. This is interesting. Oh my god, it's metal. Oh. There's no glass on this. I thought this was glass. This is so interesting. I thought there was like a glass panel in front of this, and then this thing like slid behind it. Huh. Okay. Moving on. And on that note, folks, we can't decide where to put the whiteboards. Sorry if you can hear the landscapers outside. They are blowing all of the leaves. But we could put it here. But Sean and I's thinking is that if we have this door open, which we always have this door open, our boards will be behind the door and it will never be used because this never gets used. We have a to-do list. As you can see, nothing is checked off because we wrote this a long time ago and we never used it. So, ideally, the dashboards would have gone on this wall because then when the doors open, like, you would have been able to see them all the time. But they're too big for this wall. So our next thought is to take my tapestry down and get this off the wall so that we could put the dashboards here. Because then they'd be visible, we'd be able to use them all the time. It's just, I'd have to take my beautiful tapestry down, and I don't know if I want to do that. Not entirely sure what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna give myself an hour or two before I decide what I want to do as far as where to hang these things and if I want to take the tapestry down and put the dashboards up. I don't know, we'll see. Alright you guys, I'm back. New sweatshirt, new sweatpants, new slippers. And I've got Christmas music playing in the background. And we're getting this bad boy. We're going to the office. And we're finally going to hang up these dashboards. And we're going to disrupt Sean because he's on his computer.
What?
We're disrupting you.
Oh no.
Because we're going to hang these stupid dashboards.
Stupid?
They're not stupid. They're fantastic and I'm excited to use them. Just a little frustrated on where to put them in the office. We're going to take down our whiteboard. We've decided we're going to put it behind the door, even though we feel like we might not use it as much. We're going to put it behind the door. So away you go, whiteboard. I'm gonna guess, I don't even know if there's batteries in here. No batteries. And it takes a 9-volt battery. It's our battery box. I bet this is even from it. It works. Let's find us a stud. Electric. I think the tape measure. Alright you guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see all the little goodies that I picked up from the ERIN CONDREN Friends and Family sale. If you are new to ERIN CONDREN and would like to save $10 off your very first order, make sure to sign up with my link. I'll put it up here on the screen for you guys. When you sign up with my link, you will get an email in your inbox with a $10 off coupon code, and then I will receive $10 as well. I also want to mention that I do have a planner Instagram account. I only post planner content on there, and it is just at Hayle Plans, so make sure to go follow me on Instagram. But other than that, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to comment down below and give it a big thumbs up. It really helps and supports my channel, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!